Not all cayenne pepper is created equal. In this video, we're going to uncover the secrets to spot fake cayenne pepper. We're going to talk about a couple of factors that determine the authenticity of cayenne pepper. Trust me, you don't want bland imitations messing with your taste buds and with your health. So smash that like button and let us get started. The first thing that you need to do is a color check. Let me start with the basics. The color. Authentic cayenne pepper has a vibrant red color. If your cayenne pepper looks dull, if it looks faded or has an unnatural color, it might be a sign of additives or a fake spice. The second test is smell the heat. Get ready to sniff cayenne pepper. Real cayenne pepper has a pungent, peppery aroma that stings the nostrils. If your cayenne pepper smells musty, if it smells moldy, or it lacks the characteristic heat, you might be dealing with a fake cayenne pepper. The third test is a heat level analysis. So, authentic cayenne pepper packs a punch. You can feel the heat on your taste buds. If your cayenne pepper is disappointingly mild or lacks the spiciness, it could be a diluted or a fake version. I want you also to check for additives. So check the label. Genuine cayenne pepper should have only one ingredient, which is cayenne pepper. If the label lists additives, fillers, or mysterious spices, it is definitely a red flag. So keep a close eye for the purity. Also, we have the brand's authenticity. So before you decide to purchase the cayenne pepper, you need to check the brand's authenticity. Trusted spice brand, they're very transparent about their sourcing, and they are also transparent about their production processes. If the brand lacks this information or has a questionable reputation, your cayenne pepper might not be the real deal. So we've talked about a couple of things that you need to do to distinguish the difference between a fake and a real cayenne pepper, which includes checking the smell, the color, the heat level, the ingredient list, and always researching the brand. So if you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. I'll see you in the next video.